Google's AI Studio might be the most underrated AI tool out there, and that's crazy because it handles what usually requires juggling multiple platforms. Professional image generation? Check. App development without code? Done. Cinematic video ads? All there. One tool, all browser-based. This is your complete beginner's guide to Google AI Studio. We're covering the newest Gemini features, the tools that actually matter for e-commerce, and 5 specific ways to automate parts of your business that are probably eating up your time right now. Stick around for the bonus tip. It's honestly the best part. All right, let's dive in. First things first, let's get you inside AI Studio. Head to aistudio.google.com and sign in with any Google account. No credit card required, no installation. It runs entirely in your browser. On the left sidebar, you'll see your main navigation: Home, Playground, Build, and Dashboard. Click Playground. This is where you'll spend most of your time. Featured highlights Google's newest and most capable Gemini models. At the time of making this video, that's Gemini 3 Pro and Gemini 3 Flash. These are your go-to for text, chat, code, and multimodal tasks. Gemini holds the core models that handle text plus images, files, and structured data, perfect for building agents, tools, and app backends. Live is where it gets interesting. These models power real-time interactions, continuous audio, video, and text streaming with extremely low lag time. We'll get back to this later in this video. Images gives you access to Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro, Google's native image generation models. We'll use these to create product photos and banners. Video connects you to VO models that generate short video clips from text prompts, complete with native audio. Audio covers text-to-speech, music generation, and voice agents. Now, before we start building, there's one critical step if you ever want to integrate these tools into your own website or app: your API key. Click Get API Key in the bottom left corner. Click Create API Key, and then Create API Key in New Project. This string of characters is your key to using Gemini in your own code or external tools. Copy it and keep it somewhere safe. Never share this publicly. The free tier gives you generous limits for testing and prototyping. All right, let's create some actual content. We're going to generate a header image for your new website and edit a product photo, all without touching Photoshop. Click Playground and select Images from the tabs. You'll see 3 main options here. Nano Banana is your standard image generation model based on Gemini 2.5 Flash image. Great for quick generations. Nano Banana Pro is built on Gemini 3 Pro image. It's Google's most advanced option with better text rendering, 4K resolution, and enhanced detail. Free users get a limited daily quota, then it reverts to standard Nano Banana, so save this for your highest priority images. Imagen 4 is specifically optimized for photorealistic images with the best text rendering, which means images look like real photographs and the model handles text properly without weird spelling. For our header image, let's use Nano Banana. Type: generate a photorealistic header image for an organic coffee shop showing a cozy morning scene with steam rising from a ceramic mug with golden hour lighting. In the settings panel, set your aspect ratio to 16:9. You can choose resolutions from 1K up to 2K. Hit run, and there's your image. Now let's edit an existing product photo. Switch back to the Images tab, click the plus icon in the lower right corner of the prompt box, and upload a photo. Let's say it's a photo of someone wearing a shirt with a logo you want to remove. Type: remove the logo from the shirt and keep the texture natural. Click Run, and just like that, the logo is gone, but the shirt texture stays intact. This replaces basic Photoshop tasks for product photography. Note, for image generation, free tier users get limited generations with a visible Gemini watermark. Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers get higher limits and watermark-free images on the Ultra tier. If you've ever typed the same prompt instructions over and over again, here's a feature that will save you hours: system instructions. Think of it as setting a permanent personality for Gemini that applies to every response. Go to Playground and start a fresh session. Click the System Instructions box. At the upper right corner, type: you are a luxury brand copywriter with a track record at heritage fashion houses and premium lifestyle brands. Your writing is sophisticated, persuasive, and meticulously concise. No fluff, no filler. Never use emojis, exclamation points, or hype. Every description emphasizes sensory richness. the weight of fabric, the gleam of metal, the depth of color. Position products as timeless pieces, not trends. Your audience values craftsmanship, exclusivity, and understated elegance. Give it a name like luxury. It saves automatically. Now let's test it. In the chat, type, "Write a product description for a handmade Italian leather wallet." See how the response matches our sophisticated brand voice? Every message in this session will follow these instructions. But let's talk about the power move most people miss. Competitor analysis. Click the Tools button at the bottom of the page. Paste a URL to a competitor's product page and ask, break down this page strategically. What's working? Visually, in the copy? In the layout? What's weak or outdated? And most importantly, what gaps do you see that I could fill to differentiate my product and win customers? You just got a complete competitor analysis in seconds. This tactic works especially well if you're entering a new niche. See what's already converting for competitors, identify where they're dropping the ball, then build something better. Don't have an online store yet? Click the link in the description down below to start your free Shopify trial and start building your store today. This next feature feels like the future.
Hey Google, what do you see?
You can share your screen with Gemini and have a live voice conversation about what it sees. No typing required. Navigate to the live section. You can go directly to aistudio.google.com/live or find it in the playground. You'll see 3 options: talk for voice only, webcam to include video of yourself, or share screen to show what's on your display. Click Share Screen. A pop-up will ask what you want to share: your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Select the tab with your e-commerce store and click Share. Now you don't need to type anything. Just talk. Hey Gemini, act as a conversion rate optimization expert. Look at this product page and tell me 3 specific reasons why a customer might hesitate to buy. Gemini responds instantly via voice, analyzing the actual visual elements on your screen. It can see button placement, copy issues, trust signals, everything.
As a conversion rate optimization expert, here are 3 specific reasons a customer might hesitate to buy.
This is perfect for troubleshooting technical issues, getting design feedback, or learning new software. You can literally point at something on screen and ask, how do I fix this? Gemini Live is available in 45+ languages across 150+ countries on mobile, with screen sharing available on desktop through Google AI Studio. This is a feature we can't get enough of. Vibe coding lets you build full working applications just by describing what you want in plain English. Click Build on the left sidebar. You'll see an input box where you can describe your app idea. You can also click I'm feeling lucky if you need creative inspiration. Pro tip: if you're unsure how to word your request, go to the playground first and ask Gemini to help you write a clear prompt. For example, help me write a prompt for Google AI Studio to create an app that takes a YouTube video transcript and turns it into 3 optimized social media posts for LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Gemini will give you a detailed, structured prompt that gets better results. Now copy that optimized prompt into the build input. Click Build and watch the magic happen. On the right, your working app appears. This is the preview mode. If you switch to code, you can see the code being generated in real time. You can easily switch between preview and code views. Click on Device to see how the app would look on mobile or a tablet. Let's test it. Paste a sample transcript and click Generate. And there you go, 3 platform-optimized social media posts ready to copy and use. Want to add a feature? Just type in the chat. Add a character count for each post. The tool updates the app in real time. When you're ready, click Save to keep your project. You can also download the code or deploy directly to Google Cloud Run with a single click, giving you a live URL to share. Building an app that converts video transcripts into social media content? That usually means coding skills and significant development time. You just made 1 in minutes through a simple interface. Now, let's create captivating video content that doesn't require an entire production team. Cinematic video content. Click Home on the sidebar and find the VO video generation option. Quick heads up, VO is a paid feature. You'll need an API key connected to a Google Cloud project with billing enabled, or a Google AI Pro or Ultra subscription. Google AI Pro gives you limited access to VO 3.1 Fast. Ultra subscribers get higher limits and access to the full VO 3.1 model. Before you create, you can check out the gallery for inspiration. You can click any video to see the exact prompt used to make it. Great for learning what works. Now, let's create our own. In the prompt box, type cinematic close-up of a sleek luxury brown leather wallet rotating slowly on a marble surface, golden hour lighting, soft shadows, bokeh background. Click Generate. This takes a bit longer than images, usually 30 seconds to a couple minutes. And there it is. Notice how VO 3.1 automatically generates matching ambient sound. No additional audio work needed. VO 3.1 supports video durations of 4, 6, and 8 seconds per generation. This is perfect for homepage banners, product hero sections, or social media ads. What used to cost thousands in production can now be created in minutes. Let's recap what we just did. We generated professional product images and edited photos without Photoshop. We set up a brand voice that makes every response sound like our brand. We created cinematic video ads with native audio. We built a working software application without writing a single line of code. And we got real-time voice feedback on a live website. All of this inside Google AI Studio, most of it completely free. If you want to integrate these features into your own startup or website, don't forget that API key we created in Chapter 1. That's your gateway to building with Gemini at scale. Subscribe to Learn with Shopify for more tutorials like this. Check the description for a free Shopify trial to start building your store. And if you're ready to go deeper, watch these videos next.